If you want to watch a video while you keep browsing, Picture-in-Picture in Chrome is one of the easiest features to use, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to turn it on step by step. This works great if you want to keep a YouTube video floating on your screen while you check email, take notes, work, or browse another tab. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser. You can use Google Chrome, or if you prefer, Microsoft Edge also works in a very similar way. Once your browser is open, go to a website that has a video. For this example, YouTube is the easiest place to start, but Picture-in-Picture can also work on many other video websites. Now find the video you want to watch and press play. Make sure the video is actively playing before you try to enable Picture-in-Picture, because that usually makes the option appear correctly. Once the video is playing, go directly to the video itself and right-click on it one time. In many cases, when you right-click a YouTube video, a menu will appear. If you see the mini player or picture-in-picture option in that menu, click it. After you click mini player, the video should pop out into a small floating window. This little window stays on top of your other browser tabs and even on top of other apps, so you can keep watching while doing something else. You can usually move it around by clicking and dragging it to a different part of the screen. You can also resize it depending on your browser and device settings. If the mini player option does not appear right away, try right-clicking the video again, or make sure you are clicking on the actual video area, not the page around it. On some sites, the option may be called Picture-in-Picture instead of mini player. The idea is the same. It pulls the video into a small floating window so you can continue multitasking without losing your place. This is especially useful for tutorials, podcasts, music videos, and live streams, because you can keep the video visible while reading, typing, or working in another tab. It saves time and makes browsing much more convenient. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to use Picture-in-Picture in Chrome in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.